Hello everybody and welcome to the series called Kids in the Kitchen. Are you guys feeling alive today? We are going to be making some delicious, healthy, easy and quick to make recipes that you can make with your kids, for your kids, or that your kids can make for you because they're super tasty. And I've got my two wingmen here, Rungy and Hugo. And we're going to be making a handful of delicious recipes. So the signature green smoothie, Rungy's straight carrot juice, Hugo's snack plate, a smoothie ball, and the delicious tempeh roll-ups. That's your favorite too, isn't it? So yeah, we're feeling super psyched. How about you guys?
Good. Yep, we're feeling good.
Okay, good. So I'm going to just take my little wand here and turn you into Chef Rungy and turn you into Chef Hugo. Off we go, guys.